7 Sigma. Offgrid.
I said, watch these goofballs try to figure this out. Do I open the gate? The herd. Come on, man. You smarter than that. You can do it. Put your mind into it. There you go. I raised you well, young Jedi, to open a padlock gate.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're just going to take you guys along with us because guess what? It's Father's Day. And so I want you guys to help me wish Rara a happy Father's Day. My husband. So we're just going to hang out with Bashi and Indigo today. So we're going to take you guys along with us. So let's see what happens. Bye.
Park this thing.
Huh?
Where do you want me to park?
It's just Bashi, boo-boo. He was gone, boy. Oh my gosh.
Party hats.
Put your party hat on. We got
Also,
party
glow in
hats.
the dark balloons. It's the dunce cap.
So what's that?
That's my father, and this is his day. But every day is the day that my father's my father. Are you still my father even if we die?
What?
Because I'm just saying, I'm about to say as long as I exist. But then it's like, if I don't exist, is he a dad or not?
Yeah, he's still a dad.
But we're dead.
It doesn't matter. He's still your dad.
Every time I see you get fatter.
That actually makes sense. If you don't have any kids.
Yeah, are you still getting fat, bro?
Glad to be back in the States.
Nope.
You want to go back out?
Yep. I'm over it.
Over what?
America.
That's why.
Why?
Too much going on here.
It's a lot going on
It
here.
actually is a lot. I wake up.
It's a lot.
Sir.
I know. Bungie put this thing on my tube.
He ain't gonna let you do that. He's like,
He's like an aggressive 6-year-old.
6-year-old.
With like Tourette's.
Sir, nobody better come on here.
I'm just waiting for you. Everybody to go.
You can put it right here.
Go right there.
The workbench.
How big is it?
So you can put it outside. You can definitely put this thing in your front of it, and you're gonna need it.
This fool.
Why?
You can also store stuff.
Outdoor pooping.
If you move whatever the sand stuff you have, you could put some stuff on top of it.
How big would you say it is?
If it was against the wall, it'd probably be out to here. And then there's 2 drawers, and then there's bottom space to store. There's the butcher block thingy, and then there's the top you can store, and there's a light if you ever want to plug it up. I'm telling you, when you start working on stuff,
If it can fit over there,
you can fit.
where I can still bring this out, it
Yeah.
can fit in that corner, and I
You can
store
put stuff
stuff
on it.
in it or on it.
Yeah, it will fit. I found the pump.
Did you? Where was it? Oh, cool. Nice. That's a nice pump.
In my collapsible sink that's broken, it leaks.
Nice.
See that?
Oh, yeah, it's leaking.
Thanks, Walmart.
Right in the seams, too.
Yeah, you
It
can.
sure
That I can
is.
tell what
You
they
can
did.
fix
They
it.
casted it
Yeah.
with that stuff that I used to make masks, and they didn't do it right.
Yeah.
There's a spider inside.
China.
Is it really?
A little one.
Oh.
Did that get your foot? Good.
You want to become an environmental scientist or an Aquarius?
No, aquarist.
Oh, Aquarius.
Working at an aquarium.
Oh.
Sagittarius.
I can see you working at an aquarium.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Only supportive person.
I can see
When I tell
that,
people, I
though.
think I'm trying to pivot to like nature stuff. People are just like, So
Oh.
when's your next gig? I'm
I could definitely see you working in an aquarium. But what's an environmental scientist? What would you be doing?
I don't know exactly. I'm just playing with the idea.
Stick with the aquarium. I like that.
I might volunteer at one, but they're like, you have to commit to once a week for like 3 months. So I'm too busy. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna travel. I don't. So I'm
Yeah.
This? It's literally a toilet. I want a big one of those, and then I could use that to build my bed. See? You got space. You got space. You want it to like not look like a toilet, maybe?
It would be artistic. It don't have to look like a toilet. Just whatever. Make it art.
I would want to make it not look like a toilet.
Then do it then. Do that.
I'm saying like I would like break it or something.
Keep this part and this part take top off. And I can grow stuff in there. That's all.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah, it does actually.
You got it going? You gotta get more stuff. You gotta put more.
Wait, what is that? Our poop count. Oh, okay.
That's what I said, Bashi.
You gotta cover it too. And let it get hot, no?
Why are you wetting it? You're getting hit by poop particles. Why are you backing up? Why are you scared of particles?
Me and Bashi back here like, no thank you.
What is it for? Fertilizer.
Remember at Mom's house when I was like throwing random this one bucket in the corner?
No.
That's basically what he's trying to do, but like big.
To do what?
Compost.
To grow food.
You grow food in the poop?
Yeah. All food comes from poop.
Yeah.
Everything comes from
All food comes from poop.
You know what you need if you have tomatoes and they don't wanna like grow fruit? Bone meal.
Blood and bone meal. From ashes to ashes.
You need to put like eggshells.
You need to bring all that stuff up here next time.
You need to eat better food. What you gonna do? Throw blood souls in here? That's gonna be messed up. He's gonna have a garden and not eat the food in the garden.
Pizza
Throw in those little
and blood souls.
Co-signing. He said it's dangerous too. Haha.
I should go poop while everybody's outside.
Alrighty.
Go poop in the compost.
Should I?
Go poop in the compost.
You need to put a swimming pool right there.
See, she even said a swimming pool.
You said that?
Yes, I said a swimming pool. I didn't say right there, but I said we need to get a swimming pool.
What kind of homesteaders are y'all?
No, you can get a natural pool. I've seen people make one.
Then you're gonna have natural.
You mean a pond?
Kind of, yeah. Then you can have a tilapia farm, and you can do aquaponics.
Yep.
We just need to remove all the rocks.
Habitat.
Snake habitat. A snake aquarium.
Get to work.
Okay, people. So real quick, if anyone knows
Do you want to be a software
if I
engineer?
want to build a Murphy bed in my van, how do I get started? Do I need nut rivets? Do I need to drill
You'll be
into the
software.
floor of my van? Please leave a comment
a
below
worm in there.
and do @Indigo. This is how you build a Murphy bed in your van. Thanks. Oh, I need to know this part too. How do you turn it off?
That's off when it's crossed.
A line?
Yeah, this is off and flow is that.
Okay. Then what? Do you what you call it? You just leave it
go like
ghetto?
this.
Leave it.
A didgeridoo. Do you have a didgeridoo?
No, I wish.
You should get one.
Yeah.
I want to play
That
one and
shit's
see
cool.
how it feels. Yeehaw.
What do I do now? Disconnect this one?
Pump, pump,
How?
power button. Think it says reset.
Off.
Put a little plug out the bottom side.
You wrap this?
Talk to me, I'll wrap it.
I don't want to throw it. I don't want to throw it. I'm not a good thrower.
Is that all right?
Darkness is your ally. The doohickeys.
How you do it? Lefty loosey, righty tighty?
Well, you're
I'm
like,
not doing nothing. Oh, how'd you do that?
I twisted it all.
I wanted to know how to do this part. I want to know how to do all of it.
You just look at it.
The shy halloon.
You sound like you.
It kind of looks like it.
It does.
I feel like I'm just turning this on itself and nothing's happening. You know, Dune references. Is it this whole thing or just this? Oh, that's why I'm trying to unscrew the whole thing. I loosened that on accident because I didn't know what was what. This one too?
It's over there.
I gotta sit down on my knees.
Take out the dirt and give it to me.
Dang, you put it tight. I know, but I need manpower.
There's still water coming here.
It's gonna get me.
Take the glove.
What?
Take it off. Take
Patience
it.
is a virtue.
Is it even coming out?
What? I don't need these now. Why did you tell me to put this back on?
I said take it off of me.
Oh. Should we start our own channel, Vashi?
Mm-hmm.
What do we call it? Shenanigans?
8 Sigma Alpha.
Okay, what about this? Disconnect this from the house?
You got it, Bashi.
What do I got it? Indigo's got to do it.
No, you're over there. I'm over here.
How's that misogyny? I'm supporting it.
Where it's tight.
It is tight.
Nothing can knock it off.
Should it go to the end?
It's hard to get off. That's good.
Oh, okay.
Let's go.
That's it?
Somebody get the pump. Somebody get the battery.
I want to do the wheelbarrow.
The wheelbarrow.
I never get to wheelbarrow. I'm in the wheelbarrow. My tractor trouble.
You up.
It's stuck. It was stuck.
Said you never used a wheelbarrow? That's a double wheel.
Maybe
barrel.
in Georgia.
That's a dual barrel.
I sure do know how to cut grass, tell you that.
Now they're like, why are y'all so crazy? It's like, oh, it's my fault.
It's his fault because they're crazy. It goes van. But thank you guys so much for joining us.
I'm making too much noise.
Yes, you are.
You know, Murphy there in the van.
Peace.
Down below.
Wait, thank you guys so much for joining us for our mini Father's Day party. And we just want to say happy
party.
Father's Day to all the fathers out there. We want to thank you and we appreciate anyone who identifies fathers. As you can see, we are a little crazy around here. Anyway, we're going to finish our shenanigans. So thank you guys so much for joining us and we'll see you next time. Peace.
Identifies fathers.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.